Hey there everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to go over 10 ways you can fix your screen time is not working on iPhone. So here I've just got 10 ways listed, and we're just going to get right into them. So of course, the first, you're going to want to try restarting your phone. Just power it off and power it back on and see if that works. If not, then you're going to want to check your screen time settings. So just go into the screen times in the settings app and make sure that's all turned on. And if you have multiple devices, just verify that they're all set up on screen time under the same Apple ID. And then third, you're going to want to check your iOS. So just make sure it's updated to the latest version. Just go into the general section and then software update to check for all install and available updates. So fourth is going to be check your family sharing settings. If you're using screen time as part of a family sharing, then make sure it's properly set up. So just go to settings, your name, family sharing, and then screen time, and ensure all family members are correctly added and have screen time enabled. Okay, so fifth is going to be to ensure the correct date and time. So incorrect date and time settings can cause screen time to malfunction. So just go to settings, general, date and time, and set it to automatically. Okay, 6 is going to be sign out and sign in. Sometimes signing out of your Apple ID and then signing back in can fix the issues. So just go to settings, your name, and sign out. After signing out, restart your phone and sign back in. Okay, 7th is going to be to disable and re-enable screen time. Turn off your screen time and turn it back on. So go to settings, screen time, and turn off screen time. After a few minutes, turn it back on and set it up again. So number 8 is going to be reset all settings. Just go into settings, general, reset all settings. Note that this will reset all settings back to their defaults and your data will not be erased. 9. Check content and privacy restrictions. Ensure that the restrictions are correctly configured. Go to settings, screen time, content and privacy restrictions, and make sure the settings are appropriate for what you're trying to monitor or restrict. Okay, number 10 is contact Apple support. If none of the above steps work, there may be a deeper issue with your device, and you should definitely contact Apple support for further assistance. So that's going to be everything, guys. I hope this guide helped you. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.